go back to work 1 hour.
Yeah, full focus.
We need to make the first sale before 7 p.m.
We're gonna sell the product without having any product.
Alright guys, hope you are doing well. David here, CEO and co-founder of Submagic. Today we are on a special day. We are in Thailand for the annual retreat of Submagic. Because the company is entirely remote, we decide to take like 1 week and bring all the team together in a place and celebrate, have fun, enjoy and work. With all the team, product team, marketing team, customer support team. And it's great, it's just amazing. But today I wanted to make a special video because we have a challenge today. Last year, we decided to know if we can build a song in less than 2 hours, and we made it. It was crazy good, the song is just here, it was amazing. This year we wanted to make the things a little bit more spicy, and we wanted to build a brand new $1 million SaaS company in less than 10 hours.
So last year, actually, we did a song. We created a clip, movie clip. Half of the day, we had the music, the clip, and it was done. And we will do the same today. And we think about like one idea that we had with David, actually, which is the thumbnails. When you want to click on YouTube, thumbnail is like maybe one of the most important things before even the content of the video. Here he's paying like around $10 to $20 per thumbnails on Fiverr. So that's usually the price. We thought like, yeah, maybe it can be interesting to tackle that problem.
We already see some platforms that already exist that does great revenue with a thumbnail generator. So there is a market. So we think it's a good opportunity. The goal is not to launch this company or whatever. It's just to see how we can work together. And there is some rules. We need to bootstrap the project in terms of marketing. No paid ads. What other rules do we have in terms of product?
No, I mean, the product, I think it's everything within 3 clicks. I think that was, the simplicity that we brought at Submagic. It's like you upload the video, you select the languages and you generate caption, you had the end result. We have to have that level of speed. And the second thing I think that how it's going to work during that day is that also with David, we're going to try to step down and leave it, you guys like do the organization that you want. Yesterday, people were asking about, do we do different small groups? Do you guys work together? We leave it to you.
All the competitors do one thing in their way. They ask you to prompt how you want the thumbnail looks like. And the reason why Submagic is successful today is because we choose for the users. You don't have a lot of choice. You don't have to prompt. We give him templates to offer him. So I just prepare with Abdil, or video editor. He prepared like a list of a group of a lot of thumbnails that look the same on internet. So we can have inspiration of things. So I will send it to you guys. We need to make the first sales before 7 p.m. And if we do it before 7 p.m., what?
Okay, cool. No, it's very challenging. I thought you were gonna say like 10.
No, because 10 p.m. we will do party. We'll party tonight. We'll make a great party.
Like before, together, what is the main, how the product will like, what is the main feature, and how we sell it,
Okay, it won't be like any free version, no? We sell it directly without allowing them to test.
Because we can reach out to people without a landing page. If you have nothing to show, till the product is fully ready, we can't even share it with anybody.
The main idea is like to use the same approach we do with Submagic. Basically, you have some templates and you can choose from the templates, because if we give the user too much freedom, it's gonna be also confusing and not simple. So the idea is to just have the templates, user 3 clicks and it's done. So we're gonna try to implement that in the fastest way possible.
It's important that you guys coordinate. Yeah, before moving forward and saying okay, maybe who is doing what. Yeah.
So we are working on the support and we are working on the Q&A. So we are listing any questions the customers could have.
You feel that the team will succeed the mission?
It will be hard actually, but I think we are all really good at what we do individually. If we can find a way to balance that and work together, I think we will be able to just about reach the goal.
So, what is the timer?
Timer is a way to push the team to stress test the model. So every 1 hour we jump on a quick meeting and we see where we are. So in 34 minutes will be the first point and see where we are in terms of product and marketing. They'll let the team handle everything. It's great, looking great. Dalton, Agnès, what's up?
We were thinking about asking you to make a loom to answer most of the questions, because it will be small questions and we can write all of them. But now we have listed every question I think customers could ask.
First, we want to create the website.
Okay.
Website without product. So once we have the website, we're gonna create something like this, create viral thumbnails in seconds with AI, big image, simple. Okay. And then we're gonna sell the product without having any product.
I love it.
We're checking the competitors to make sure that we can do the better job even though those competitors were created in months. We'll try to do a better job in 1 day. So we'll see. But we first need to make sure we understand the market. And from what I see right now, it's like they're shit. So we'll try to do a better job. How the hell do I use it?
Yeah.
Like, I'm a technical person.
Yeah.
But imagine like not being technical. It's like, what the fuck is that? Tried some competitors to compare, like to see like how good we can be, and competitors actually are like really shit. Like we weren't able.
That's good for us.
With none of them, we were not able to generate like anything close to good. And I think the main issue for the competitors is that they have like too many features and they have like really general prompt. While what we're gonna have is that we're gonna have like predefined exact templates that you can use, and that will allow us to like have really specific prompt that can make like actually better images. So we'll now try that approach. We got the API key, so we'll try it within a few hours to implement it. Fook already started working on the backend.
Finish it.
Yeah, finish it.
So what we have done is that we want to create the vitrine of the product and be able to sell it as soon as possible. Even if we don't have any product, maybe we will try to do a sales. So we created the website, which is pretty simple, like a headline, make viral YouTube thumbnails in seconds with AI. Like we took the red colors, like YouTube, so it makes something like people will know that color. We added an image which is simple, where you can see the result of what you can do with the product. And then we created a Stripe link. So we thought about the price, but we can change it together.
I'm with tsi-fei now, my co-founder. How do you build this product in less than 10 hours? Because most of people will think like it's impossible. I want to ask you like basic question that I might have or viewers could have, and I would love to hear your answer.
The first step was to think about the technology that we're going to use. So we took a little bit more time on this part. So we tried different API, we tried different tools, tried the competitors as well to see, okay, how did they use? And we had different options. And we took one options, we defined what we're gonna do in general. So that was I think the hardest part at the beginning. And afterwards, we decided, okay, who's doing what? So the design, we had to explain the different steps. So one of the key difference that we bring to the market is like the simplicity. So everything has to be in 3 clicks. So we take time about understanding, okay, what will be those 3 clicks. So for now, we'll just have one feature, one template. We're gonna ship that first. And then if this is working, then people can use it. We can get feedbacks from that. And we're gonna add other templates. You have to reduce the number of features, but that features has to work perfectly.
If I summarize it quickly, we decided to have only one features, but this feature needs to be great. We also believe that users don't have to choose, it needs to be a 3-click experience, so we're going to choose for the users. And we also believe that people want to copy influencer strategy. We're going to use the same strategy that we use at Submagic, where we build templates for like Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzin, those famous people. So we will build like the Alex Hormozi thumbnail style. And people will just have to put their images and then say, I want the Alex Hormozi style, and we will have the best prompts to copy the Alex Hormozi style, but in a way that is kind of different with the picture of the users.
Like it's a full do-it-yourself day. We are doing the product and we are doing the lunch as well.
The AI tool on the market. It allows you to generate the most amazing AI thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'm just trying to film like some viral shorts to publish on TikTok for the team and to promote the tool. This is free. You just use your phone, you film yourself, you make a good editing on Submagic, and then you publish on TikTok. And then you hope you're gonna make some sales. That's it.
We're trying to hide Submagic, but he's wearing a Submagic t-shirt. That doesn't help us, but yeah. We're gonna have Delton edit them. Then I'm gonna add captions with Submagic, and then we're gonna post them on TikTok and Instagram.
First videos ready to go viral. If you want to have the same thumbnails as Mr. Beast, Iman Gadzi, Alex Hormozi in your YouTube videos, but you are tired to spend like hundreds of dollars for a designer, I have the solution for you. You go on Thumbmagic.co and the AI will automatically generate the most amazing thumbnails in less than 1 minute for your YouTube videos. Go try it right now.
Nice one. Right now I'm setting up the project and start implementing the backend.
We are checking the API so we can upload images.
I'm designing the first screens of the products. I have to do that in less than 1 hour to provide them to the developers. Yeah.
Can you? Sorry to disturb you. Just a question. Can you explain to the camera if you need to summarize it in like for someone who never coded in his life, what do they do actually?
AI model is very general thing. Like it can do whatever you ask it, but you need a proper description and explanation. Like, for example, when you hire a beginner guy on the job, you need to like explain to him exactly what to do, and after time this person will learn and be able to do this. So the first one were pretty bad, like, so you can say like it's just some random stuff. At the start, it's just put the text Elon on the t-shirt of the guy, but with some iterations we managed to get to like this version, which is like, I think, pretty good.
Yes.
But it's not perfect. So
Quick update, 5 minutes. So everything is done regarding the website. Now we start the distribution plan. In terms of distribution, we have 3 main acquisition channels that we target.
We have our own Instagram, thumbmagic.co. Everybody can go follow. So yeah, this is the page, number 1. Number 2, Ellie is also working with influencers at the moment. So we are doing mainly Twitter and LinkedIn, because YouTube videos take a lot of time, and I'm going to be posting on my personal account as well, which has a good amount of followers, so hopefully we can get some traction from there, the Indian audience.
3 steps, like 3 clips to generate your thumbnail, so it's that easy, like, to understand what's gonna happen. Then you will be able to select one of the 3 templates. Actually, the product team is working on the generation of that first template, so hopefully coming soon we'll have more. So you select your templates. You will download the required asset based on that image. So here, like, you will change like the text of that tweet, and then of course like your face. So you upload that, you will generate like 3 variations of the same thumbnail, and you just like download the images, or you will restart the experience and go back from the start.
working on the backend and frontend implementation, so we already have like some working code version. We did a few iterations with different versions. So initially, like, our first images were looking like this. It was putting like this Elon text on the guy, but after some iterations we got to like much better version of the image, which actually looks quite good.
Alright, let's get back to work, 1 hour, and then we'll be able to ship the first version.
Yeah, we are really tense moments of generation of the image, so last final steps.
Yes.
Need full focus.
We made the first sale on the product. 2 sales actually. So we made $10 on the product without having any product.
Is that we made sales, but we don't have a product yet. That's the power of doing good distribution. I will be happy when they will try the product and they will like it.
First of all, I think we can clap for everybody, because it was not an easy thing. It was a huge challenge, to be honest. It was not an easy thing, and we put a high expectation. Like, doing that in less than 10 hours, it's really tough, we know that. But the good news is that we already make some sales, and that's crazy. We had 2 customers, so they pay because they knew that we're gonna have something good. The good point is that we are not doing this product randomly. It's really fixing issues for people who needs to make thumbnails. So we validate the project in terms of like sales, but now in terms of products, we would love to see what's going on.
We got 2 templates for the start. Let's go with the tweet style for template. So let's say we wanna, for example, play this guy, and let's say AI is our future. So we got the image. It's, by the way, like a random size, so you can upload the image of any size. It doesn't have to be 16 by 9. And yeah, let's click generate. Now here we will have to wait like maybe around 2 minutes.
This is good. Yeah, good job, Anibal, Fouk. Thank you guys. Show them.
Really cool. But this is just the first iteration. It's just the beginning. But we will make some really dope templates where you don't even have to write the text board what you want. We will generate it directly from your videos. So it's next iteration. But it's just like a good start, I would say. So yeah, it's cool. For me, it was a big learning. Like, in just 1 day, we created so much content, which is so good. So this is great for organic, for paid ads, for everything, because content is marketing at the end.
Like, when we are all together in a room, like, creativity really increases. We all work like remotely, but sometimes it's good because like Shivam has an idea, then I complete his idea, then David has one, and like we combine that, and like it makes good thing at the end.
Very, very interesting, full of learning for me. It was honestly quite challenging. It was very, very difficult at the beginning, like to be organized, and it makes me realize like the position of a designer inside a company or the product team.
For me, it was also challenging because we had different approaches for bootstrapping the code.
Very challenging task today. I think this is the first time that all the devs work together on the same feature. A lot of people, they spend a lot of time in the planning stage where they never get the product completely built. Honestly, action is the most important thing.
I think the key for me was like just step back and see it as a simple task and see how we can do that. And
We didn't have time to decide which approach we want to take. Like I want to take more manual approach, and Ibal want to take more AI approach. Like 2 hours before the deadline, I was thinking damn, we're not gonna make it.
No, it was great to see all of you work. Me, I'm a very physical person. I'm used to work with people, so working remotely is different for me. And I see this energy that we feel, being all of you are also in the same house, working here, seeing the marketing team working. I like this kind of vibe, and I see that this generates something more that you cannot have while you are remotely. So very happy that we feel this as a marketing team, especially that we are a creative person. And it will maybe push us to do more things like that. And if imagine we are in the house, we bring 2 creators that we love at Submagic, 2 really fun creators of Submagic that have creative mind. Abde with us making video editing, sorry, that time. and that time together. Getting the product, I was very impressed by what you guys did. The organization you had for us, it's a bit complicated to see how, I don't understand what you guys are doing, but the end results, to be honest, it's a very small MVP, but it works and it's a good start. And I'm sure the iteration will be if we look at that maybe 2 more nights, it will be 3 times better than what we have tonight. I'm very proud of you guys. Congratulations.
It was not easy task first because we made 2 sales and we released the MVP. It's working. Maybe it's not sellable, but at least from start to end in 10 hours or maybe 8 hours, it's pretty impressive. And imagine what we can do if we spend 2 weeks, a month on the product all together. It's gonna be awesome, right? So that's for the result, and congrats everyone. And yeah, very proud of the end result first. And the second, the organization and how we worked together. I felt same as David, that energy was really good because we're always remote working, so we don't feel that that energy, and it was boiling kind of. There was fire everywhere, even it was stress sometimes, but still it was a really good energy. I feel I think we can work something crazy on this. Yeah,
Good potential.
crazy potential.
That's good. So yeah, good.